Order blocks. Okay, I invented it. It's mine. No one talked about it before me. And I first mentioned it in 2010 on baby pips. Prior to that, 1996, I was only teaching it to people one-on-one in teachings. That's it. Okay? You can't find it in books prior to that. It's mine. No one else taught it before me. It is mine. So I'm going to correct all of you today so that way you can teach your people correctly and not hurt them. See these down closed candles? See that? That's all one continuous order block. What's it doing? It's inside that pool of liquidity, sell stops. Where's the open on that series of down closed candles? Right here. That's the price level extended out in time. Boom. So inside this fair value gap, this opening price on the order block, that's your buy, plus 3 pips or whatever for spread. And that's what you would use for a limit order. That's pretty neat, isn't it? Well, price starts to run where? Above the highs where buy stops will be here, above this high here, and above this high here. Now go back and look at the example where this particular day here, I put in orders and I was still learning how to use the Thinkorswim platform. And there's a little toggle box where if you toggle it, it'll send your order right to the marketplace. It won't let you review it. And I had put that on to see if it was going to show me any kind of information on the screen, but it didn't take it off. So what happened was I put that on and it was actually an order that I mistakenly had in. So I was hoping to see if it could give me an opportunity to get out of it and cover with next to nothing, or maybe even squeak out a profit. It wasn't having it. So I had to reverse and then go back and go short, wrote it down, and then you'll see me covering in here and then going long, selling short, reversing, going short, buying long in here inside the order block, rallied up, sold the long, reversed it, bought it here, got out over here and resold for that big run into that. Okay, that's what I was doing. There's people out there who are going to tell you, he doesn't trade that way. These people don't know how I'm trading. You have no idea how I'm trading.